Hey there! Today we're diving into a particularly tricky problem that involves designing a regex pattern. The challenge at hand is to create a regex that matches four parts separated by a delimiter, which in this case is a colon. The catch is that the parts are all optional, but they must be in order, and the delimiter must be present between each part. Sounds like quite the interesting problem, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to this intriguing challenge. One way to tackle this is by making the colon optional while using word boundaries to ensure it appears between the letters. The regex snippet that does the trick is *b:*a:*b:c:*b:, $. This clever approach allows for flexibility in matching the optional parts while still enforcing the order and presence of the delimiter. Pretty neat, huh? Continuing on with the solution, another clever strategy involves making all characters optional and using a lookahead at the start to validate the format. The regex pattern equals \w, $w, $, $a, $b, $c, $d, $, pulls off the task by checking the format at the beginning and then allowing for the optional parts to follow in the specified order. It's all about ensuring the right conditions are met while keeping things flexible. To wrap things up, we've explored two innovative ways to craft a regex pattern that fulfills the requirements of matching four parts separated by a delimiter. By leveraging optional characters, word boundaries, and lookaheads, we've cracked the code on this intriguing problem. Remember, regex can be a powerful tool in your coding arsenal for handling complex pattern matching tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!